shopping is quickly becoming the new normal, and this trend is not likely to reverse anytime soon. While online shopping is a great thing, but you need to be careful while ordering things from new platforms, or else you might be exposed to a lot of hassles. Hello, I'm Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be talking about a new brand platform, that is 310drip.com, which has a very bad trust index. The collections offered by them appear great. However, the items are all pricey, and for obvious reasons, people are thinking twice before pulling the trigger. As far as this platform is considered, they have few merits, but sadly the demerits outweigh all the benefits. Moreover, user feedback about them is also way too hard to find. Note that there aren't any allegations against them yet. Nonetheless, the kind of things they do and adore are somewhat questionable. So to get a complete sense about their real nature, stick with me till the end. And in case you have lost money to them or have your orders stuck, feel free to reach us by the contact form given on our official website. This platform sells all kinds of jewelries and apparels. It goes without saying that they target females. At first glance, the way everything was presented is certainly attention-grabbing. There are few quirks here and there, and we'll go over them later. Price of the items on average is on the higher side. One of the key things that is not present on their platform is the contact information. They have put up an email address, but that is not adequate enough. Owners are unknown, and they have literally zero social media presence. Oddly enough, they have no user feedback as well. All in all, the way they operate is unjustifiable, and it is not wise to expect quality treatment or products from them. As we said before, the list of products they sell are also associated with jewelry in one way or the other. The only exception is the apparel section. During our time on the platform, it was easy to figure out that they cater to the fashion needs of females exclusively. Here's the list of items you can buy from them. Do keep in mind that the pricing is fairly on the expensive side, and there are a lot more competitive players present in the sector. The list of products are bracelets, chains, chain sets, rings, pendants, earring and sunglasses. The shipping policy is said to cater to almost all the countries around the globe. Standard shopping time is around 2 to 4 weeks. According to their narrative, due to COVID-19, shipping time frames cannot be guaranteed. The tracking mechanism used by them is explained in detail. Sadly, the entire process takes too long. If you're someone who is used to things like Amazon Prime, then the setup will definitely frustrate you. Orders are said to be dispatched within 72 hours, and the cancellation window is 3 hours. The cause for delay for the most part is unknown. To a lot of people, the delay present in the system will be deal breaker. This offer offers a 30-day refund policy. To send them items as returns, all the standard rules apply. For example, the product should not be damaged, there should be no visible wear and tear, etc. Note that the return address is not put up by them, which means the only way to extract information is to contact the support team. Once the goods are accepted by them, the refund process will be initiated. The exact way they handle the disputes is not covered. Moreover, even the time required for them to credit the user account isn't stated. So ask yourself, does their policy sound reassuring to you? Even if they do credit the balance to you, it might take over 2 weeks for it to reflect on your bank account. New firms have to do a lot of PR. The main purpose of running advertisement is to get traffic. However, if the transparency element is not present, people will not indulge with the platform. One of the best things a new company can do to increase their reach is to focus on the user experience aspect of customer support. Obviously, people want to be heard, especially when they are facing certain issues, right? The only way to reach the support team on this platform is by email. Note that the response time is not assured, and due to the lack of user feedback, we have no idea what to expect from them. Our only advice for all our audience is to be careful while navigating new platforms like this one. The rule of thumb is, if a firm does not hire a professional team to address the needs of the client, then things probably will go south pretty fast. As a firm is new, they do not have any significant domain rating. Trust index is too low, and apart from a handful of regions, they have not made a name for themselves yet. In other words, social proof is lacking. They are not active on social media as well. We checked a lot of third-party related websites and forums, but could not find any information about them. For the time being, social consensus is absent. Trusting a new firm by itself is a gamble. Given so many red flags, it's a lot easier for us to tell people to not indulge with them unless and until time reveals more about their real character. What are the payment methods? There are a lot of payment options supported by them, like Amex, Apple Pay, Discover, Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa. If you have, be nice if they support a lot of e-wallets. Is it a scam? Not exactly, but it looks like it. 310drip.com is not an outright dangerous site. However, their way of handling the clients and running everyday activities is more than questionable. Total anonymity along with lack of user feedback are perhaps their biggest flaws. If you are unable to get funds back from them, then do not rest. Get in touch with our team through the contact form provided on our site, and we will do all the groundwork for you for free and help you with the recovery process. We never charge for any of our services, and our main intention is to educate the people about the rights and various systems that they can take advantage of. 310drip.com scam is trending on search engines for all the right reasons. People are worried about indulging with them. Though no allegations are present against them yet, we cannot possibly take it easy with them. The best thing to do is to walk away from them for the time being and see how things will unfold in the near future. Thank you.